Okay, the wiring that went to the breaker box from the power pole stopped working. So the landlord decided to put a new one doing this. This is going to be good, guys. You're going to love this. So the power wire comes through the house up here, okay, to this box. Here's the old wiring that I used to have going to my house for power, taped and everything, just through a PVC pipe on the ground going to the house. No, this landlord decided, let's go up, not down. So, see if I can get you to zoom in closer. There it is, coming around there, going down into the trees. So we go down the trees, follow the line down the trees. There it is. There's our next tree up there. Then he's got it going right here. What is this? What is this? Like, really? Cut and splice right there. And go into this other guy's house right here. All right here, all right here, all right here. This is kind of hard to hold and aim it just right. Right there, into the next house. Loop it around into the rafters of somebody else's house. Right here, as you can see. There it is. Going down. Now we just left this other rafter here. And the wire still continues. We try to get around these trees over here. See it? There it is, going that off that ugly house right there. I don't know how anybody can live in that, but there it goes. There it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. Here's the power pole. Here's the old wiring. Here's the new wiring I was showing you, coming down in there. Wrap around and right into the breaker box. That looked like it was a good cable at one time too. I tried to pull it out of the ground. It was just too deep down in there.